What's up, guys? This is going to be my honest review of the Trader Joe's Gnocchi. I have it right here. You can find this at Trader Joe's. It's Trader Joe's brand. My favorite thing about this gnocchi is that it's so affordable. Honestly, like even at Walmart, you go and you find like some of these gnocchi packets that are $3, $4. I've even seen like $5 things of gnocchi, whereas the Trader Joe's one is $2, $1.99, which is just like a lot more affordable. It's super easy. It cooks really quickly. It's like, you know, just cook it on 2 minutes, boiling water. It doesn't have to be rolling boil or anything. Just throw it in there. Once the gnocchi float, like honestly, there's really nothing crazy about it. Just like you're just pretty much rehydrating them. So I'm gonna cook it up, give you an honest review, and yeah. All right, so I just opened it up. And once you have it open like this, I don't actually recommend you pouring it into your boiling water like this. You can, but it often doesn't all fall out. It kind of just like flops and sometimes it splashes. So I recommend you throwing it into a bowl before then. You can even kind of toss it around, break it up before you throw it into the water. Now, once your water's pretty hot, steamy, kind of boiling, you can go ahead and take your bowl and kind of dump the gnocchi in. Right, try and avoid large splashes, which might burn you. Now, I'm gonna just rinse this out and show you the next step. Yeah, so pretty much you're just gonna wanna mix it up, keep it from just clumping together too much. Anything really is fine. It's kind of hard to mess up. Now you're also gonna get my the dual review of the Trader Joe's roasted garlic marinara sauce. Now, pro tip, you can actually just take it while it's like room temperature or even from your refrigerator. I like to just pour like about a third of the container in there. And then once you put the hot gnocchi that you just strained into the container, it like cools down instantly, so you can eat it like right away. So that's just a little pro tip right there. Okay, I'm actually recording this in post because I ended up kind of just like saying random stuff and then stopped talking. But once it's been boiling for 2 minutes, you can see the gnocchi are floating in there. Go ahead and take it to your sink. We're gonna be straining it. Pardon, my clumsiness here. I'm kind of holding the phone with my chin here. So just go ahead and strain it. Ask for help if you need. 2 people if you need. Just try not to burn yourself. And then once you're here, just like give it a shake and then go ahead and bring it over to your bowl. Again, I'm, not really sure what I'm doing with the camera. I think I lose a one. Yeah, okay, well, we have a little gnocchi straggler, but that's okay. We can still eat them. And I just mix it up, and stay tuned for the full review. Delicious. Yeah, it totally hits the spot. And honestly, like all gnocchi to me tastes kind of the same, like the packaged ones at least in America. So it's kind of hard to miss. And the tomato sauce is also really good as well. I guess I'm not totally sure what else to include in this review. It's pretty delicious and highly recommend, especially because of its low cost. It's got clean ingredients compared to other kinds, right? Not many, preservatives or anything like that. And it's overall pretty delicious. So yeah, 10 out of 10, 8 out of 10, would recommend. And yeah, pick it up next time you're at Trader Joe's.